winding road, and this so heavy load will make me fall and be pinned to the ground. The heaviness of eyelids tight and red, they keep me tight and bound, fixed to the ground. I lift my hands in despair. It seems as if no one cares. The darkness seems poised to win. Oh please, help. A still small voice, yet so strong and clear, calls me to lift my voice to Jesus Christ. I call upon the name of Jesus Christ, and then and there I find relief divine. I lift my hands and I praise the only name that will save. Jesus, my salvation and my light, I'll bless your name now and forevermore. I'll bless your name now and forevermore.